lot of shells now, y'all. It's been like windy and stormy and stuff. What's the sky view right now? Looks so fake. Yes, look at this. It's a lot.
Might just be
It could be a jaw.
Nah, I think it's an oyster.
Oyster shell. Could be.
Oh no.
My bad, he passed away.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no!
He probably came out of his shell. It was too strong. The winds.
Dang.
That's what a hermit crab looked like outside of the shell.
Dang.
I wonder if a bird will come eat him.
Don't know. Doubt it. That's why they're
I
not.
found this. I'm not sure if it's a sea glass or just a piece of rock. But yeah. There's this conch. It got broke though. And right here. Right here. And this one right here too.
See, I love this.
He's eating a piece of bait that someone dropped. Look at how cute they are, the small ones. We saw a different bird eat a fish that showed up on the shore, but I don't know. I guess it just shows up and he just capture and eat them.
Must be pretty wavy out there too. It's like
Yeah.
splashing.
He looks closer with your eyes. He looks far away in the camera. Come on, man. Catch a fish while you're on camera.
Get something?
I don't know. He's
Is that
eating
plastic?
something.
Might be a plastic. What's a plastic?
Yeah, I think I'm distracting him.